Oh, figure I should make a video of my belt grinder I just finished. Kind of give back to the community. I think I saw about 100 different videos of belt grinders when I was trying to figure out how to make this one. He's the KB Electronics VFD horsepower motor. I got the wheels from Origin Blade Maker. A little note about that, I had the plastic ones at first, they're lightning wheels, and the way it felt wasn't super smooth, so when I was running it, it was super loud. I could probably try to include some video, but the aluminum ones run way quieter, so if you have the extra money, I would probably spring for the aluminum, just because of the noise. I mean, so tried to make it adjustable. I don't have a tilting table yet, but this table goes. This table will go up and down and back and forth. I tried to copy some other people's designs, and I kind of like the idea where you can turn it over. If I have this set at the right height, I barely have to do anything. I'm drawing this way, turn it back over, drawing this way. I'm using a pin. I had this toggle clamp in here, and I was using this initially to hold it down, but I don't know, right after I painted this thing, it stopped working for some reason. The toggle clamp went bad, so I'll probably have to chop it off, and I just decided to use a pin instead, and it's usually working pretty good, and there's not a lot of wobble at all. 3D printed these handles, so yeah, little glass platen back here. Loosen this up. Let's see. I have this cable back here, and it's tied down here to this little rig. So what I do, I can try to show you. Hopefully I'm not going to get in the way, but I tighten my belts and kind of push down on it with my foot and hold it, and that way I can use my hands to tighten everything up. Just let it go. Let me flip this guy on so you can kind of see it running. So, pretty happy with this design. Got some wheels on the bottom when I need to roll it around. I was actually thinking about putting a small wooden tabletop right here, just so I have another place to put some other stuff. But other than that, here it is. If you got any questions, oh yeah, and this is a 40-pound air spring from McMaster-Carr, and everything was just welded with as a Century FC90 welder. It worked pretty good. Beginner welder, so if my welds look like crap. And the other thing is right here, instead of notching a whole groove inside the metal, I just decided to do this. And if I loosen this, and I can just set the angle I want for this. So it's a little bit easier. So there it is.